First, connect the power supply. Connect air. Open air pressure switch. Turn on power supply. Make sure the tape roll install correct. Tape roll through here. Open the bearing switch. Install roll like the video show. Throughout this place. Click the feeding button, make sure the tape roll on the position. Put the product. It need adjust product beside gap, lock the baffle inward tightly. Loosen baffle screw. All 4 corners have fastening screws. When meet this situation, then need adjust. Adjust to the same width on both sides. The product can normal workable, then it is okay. Tighten 4 screws. Click upper pusher button. Adjust by upper pusher forward button. Click confirm when adjust the product at right position. Now it can work.